So guys, Carl Bill there. On today's video, I will be draining my transmission fluid out because I have to take my transmission out again because I have a bad throwout bearing. So when I put my car in gear, my car is not going to go in the gear smoothly and all that, and I hear grinding and mess my transmission. So I have to do this again for like the 3rd millionth time. But hey, it's okay. Once I save money in the process, instead of me messing up my transmission, I'm willing to take my gearbox out and pull it out, buy a new throttle bearing, and put it in so I can be back up and running properly, the right way. So I'm going to show you how to take out your transmission for your Mustang, 1998 Mustang. Same thing. I got my rims on, all my tires. The other day I was driving, caught a flat, had to ride it home like this, and I gotta buy new tires. So, this weather's amazing because Christmas is almost there. It's like a week away. So I'm gonna put that under there. So I'm gonna start prepping to, pull this gearbox out. So, I'm gonna start pulling my dry shaft out, everything, put everything out. But I'm just gonna start off with the fluid, then go inside, bolt out everything, and start actually getting the car ready to start pulling stuff off. So by the time it's tomorrow come, all I have to do is probably just loosen up my pipes, pull the start out, and take transmission bolts out, and I should be good. So let's get started. So now, like I said, last night it got too dark, so I end up, start taking the dry shaft out. So this morning I went and bought a new throttle bearing. See? This is a new throttle bearing. So, you know what I mean. Time to cut this movie, boy. So, let me set my camera up. So first off, I might disconnect my negative terminal, my positive terminal, negative, it don't matter. I take my dry shaft out already. So I'm gonna drain out this fluid. Drain this fluid out. And once I can drain this fluid out, let me show you how to clean though. You can drain this fluid out. Come right here and just come. Get a 3/8 ratchet. You all know how to tingle with a 3/8 ratchet. You come right here. Have your gotta catch all, cause like I ain't really don't. See that? That's for the transmission fluid still red, boy. We lost quite a bit of fluid, but hey, you know what? So our transmission fluid leaked on the floor. So I'm just gonna get like a napkin or something. I had some towels and they did absorb stuff like nothing. So now that my transmission is leaked out, I don't have to worry about Don't have to worry about this transmission being heavy when it's time for me to pull this out. So my clutch cable is already disconnected. My drive shaft is already disconnected. My back pipes is disconnected, so I need to disconnect my front pipes, pull my starter out, and take my transmission mount, then go inside and take apart the inside. So I have to take that out. But right here, I'm trying to save as much as transmission fluid as possible. This is at least like a quart on the floor. So I probably just gotta buy like one more quart of transmission fluid. So let me take that out. Transmission fluid still good. So I don't have no burnt gears or anything. So I'm good. Oh crap. I got a problem. Oh my gosh. My transmission fluid's leaking. Shoot. Got slightly. So guys, I just made my transmission, and my bottle that I use had had a hole. So I use 3 different bottles, and this should be equivalent to close to about 3 quarts, but it's gonna be more like 2. So I just had to buy 1 extra quart. So let me I already drain my transmission. So let me clean up that floor right there. So let me get it done. Okay, so guys, I got the I got my exhaust system out, so now I'll be pulling the starter out. So let's get into it. Please say this ain't a 10, and it is a 10. So I have a 10mm here. While I have my 13, I'm gonna just lose this transmission bolt out. No. That should be like 2 bolts right here. You know. one. Gotta break this one right here. Okay. God. Ah, shoot. Not on tight. That's on very tight. Okay, so let me teach y'all something. I tell you not to when it comes to things like this. And especially you being on the car and you can. So you just get this. You get like a long extension with the ratchet, and you just okay, now I do bottom screws out. So after that, okay, now I need to start pulling the starter out. Starter should have two 10mm bolts. One should be a 13, I think. Can't remember. So while I'm inside there also, I'm gonna check. So one should be like a 12. Okay, so this one is a 10, and the next one should be like a 12 or 13. Then you should be able to take your wires off. You only have that bolt here. I only have this bolt in, holding in my starter. So let me get me a 10. Let me get my ratchet to affect that, so I could turn that off and pull my starter out and just disconnect the wires. And my starter should be out. So let me pause it, and I'm just gonna get my thing. So guys, I just dropped my transmission down. It took some time. If I had the camera on, it would take much more time. But it's down, and I finally got my throwout bearing. You know, finally got it out. And yeah, this has caused my car to grind gears, you know, not engage properly. So see, my throwout bearing is supposed to be all in one, but as you can see, it's broken. Like, it's busted. So I'm just gonna see how fast I can put this thing back up. So this right here is some grease. This is that good grease. This ain't that ordinary grease. So I got this grease. I had this grease laying around, so I'm just gonna use this grease. It's lithium grease, but it works as you know, lubricating grease. Grease lubricates. So I'm just greasing the splines. Then all I gotta do is freaking do it just like that, I think. No, I'm doing this wrong. I think it's like this or something like that. Okay. I gotta check on that. So I'll be right back. So guys, I already put my transmission back in. I came to find out that my clutch fork needs to change because it has a broken pin, so I have to look for the next one, and that's something I might have to order. So now my car is down until, but I'm still gonna post this video. But guys, I'm a little disappointed, but hey, that's the advantages of owning a car. So just gonna put this under here. Just gonna put this gearbox under here and, pack up because it ain't making no sense. But I'm gonna look for a new gearbox, a new clutch fork. So my clutch fork is done. So let me just put my starter and stuff up so I don't damage it and have to buy an next starter. So I'm gonna put this up. But guys, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Oh, and also guys, I'm doing a Christmas giveaway where I will personally deliver you all a Christmas gift from Car Builder. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe so you could be eligible to win in this giveaway. So guys, only one person can win, but I still would personally go to your house, knock on your door and drop your gift off to you.